I didn't bring my other mount. It's kind of going that way. Should be close enough.
Well, the beer can on the way.
That's fine. Again. Yeah.
You're making a lot of fun.
That'll record. What? We both sitting on that side of the table? Probably easy.
No, you sit there, I sit over here. You shoot that way, I shoot that way. That's why I set it here, because we got too many obstacles to shoot through over there. Shoot against the fence. Ain't going nowhere.
Alright.
See Kenny coming down, walking down the road. Who killed Kenny?
Yeah, it'll be who killed Kenny.
Oh, I loaded too.
Oh yeah, I loaded it. It's ready to go. You get the safety's on, I think. No, it's probably off.
I got beer cans over there already.
Oh, there's one. Oh, you got them all over the place.
Yep.
Need a couple more cans to shoot at.
I got one.
Get it? Anybody that sees this video is gonna think this place is up.
Tag that one. Oh.
That's 4 shots. Are they blowing down?
No. I'm looking at that. Oh. I got one right through the center of this one. It ain't gonna help me.
Go for the Budweiser can on the left first. And it's down. Bush can on the right.
It's still there.
It's there, but I hit it. I'll go for the one behind it. I hit it. It moved.
You nicked it.
Try for that one again. Got it.
Killed it.
Alright, well, I got 2 out of 4. I hit it 3 out of 4. Now my phone's going crazy and it's underneath my camera, of course. Hit. Check to make sure it's still loaded. It looks like there's still 4 in there.
Put them fucking babies on, huh?
What's that?
A rag to put them babies on.
Oh yeah, they go fine. But I'm gonna try for the same thing as last time. Left Budweiser can. Oh, you see that? I spun it. Try it again. Hit it again. And knock that sucker off. 3 hits and I'm not knocking it off. And go for 4. a mess.
I don't need fucking sunglasses.
I think we need more BBs. All right, I'll load it up.